We are here at the Tesla Diner Studios. Finally got a chance to check this place out. I was supposed to attend the Unplugged event, but I read the flyer wrong. I thought it was 10 to 12, but it was actually 9 to 11, and it is already past 11. But here it is. This is one of the things I was wondering about, where if you're done charging, where do you go? So this is the other part of the charging stations, but you're gonna have to unplug once you're done charging, and they're fast chargers here. These are 325s, I believe, so you're gonna charge quick. But this is the main area right here, where the diner is located, and they got two big projectors. They got one projector up there and one projector up there, and there's an inflatable dog mode character up there. But there's some familiar faces here also. But I got here with like 58% state of charge, and I'm almost done charging to my limit. I'm gonna see if I could charge a little bit more and without paying extra, because we are coming in far. But one of the Cybertrucks that I've been wanting to check out is Joe. He's been in a couple of videos of ours, but he recently got it polished with the Colossus theme. He drove here from Northern California, and I've been wanting to check it out. And also the Halo Cybertruck is here also from NorCal. Shout out to them. This is the gentleman that owns the Halo Cybertruck right here.
What's up?
What's up, dog? And Joe is right over there. But this is the Colossus Cybertruck. Look at that. And the crazy offset on his tires, his wheels and tires, man. But this is the first time I've ever seen it in person, and it is beautiful.
Oh, sorry, I catch you. Yeah, I'm the president for NorCal Tesla.
But yeah, here are a couple of Model Y Juniper Performance. I think one of them is Dennis's. Dennis is over there. And I think this black one, I think, is his. I don't know. We'll catch up with him later, hopefully. Check this Model X out. This is the red before the ultra red. Check it out. All right, here we go. We are gonna go into the diner. Is this red carpet treatment right here? I don't know, but here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, this is what the diner looks like. Looks pretty cool. I smell food and I'm getting a little bit hungry, but let's just go do a quick walk and see what this diner is all about. This is the one that's replacing the Model S and X. Blame this guy right here. This is the guy. It's his fault that there is no more Model S and X. Optimus! You pull, not push. All right, we are here at the second floor balcony. They got a bar here and popcorn. All right, really cool. This is what it looks like up here. You can watch TV or watch the screen. And there's our cars down there. All right, I'm getting hungry. Let's go see what we could eat. I tried the chicken and waffles. They're not bad. It's actually pretty good. And I also got a souvenir cup. Spent like 30 something bucks, so it's okay. The food was all right too. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.